Assembly of WindLab is very handy. It can be done within 5 minutes. Take out all components from the box. Put the short screw onto the screw hole and screw in lightly. Insert the red and black wire from the large hole, that is the hole on the same side of the screw hole, on the aluminum tube towards the other end of the tube, as shown in the video. If you want to enable the yarning of the turbine, if the wind source, such as a fan, related to the turbine is fixed, you may insert the wires from the other hole on the opposite side of the screw hole to disable the yarning function. Extend the base extenders to increase the effective diameter of the base for stable operation. Route the wires through the central hole on the base and insert an aluminum tube all the way to the end. Turn the tube sideways until the holes on the tube are in line with that of the plastic base. Use a screwdriver if required to arrange the wires inside the hole to clear the way for the plastic tip stopper to be inserted. Install the turbine on the other side of the aluminum tube. Align the wing of the turbine on the other side of the screw hole and lock the screw all the way if you configure the turbine to enable yarning. Align the wing of the turbine on the other side of the screw hole and lock the screw in the axis of the turbine in the front. Now let us install the sheet blades on the rotor. This applies to WindLab, WindLab Plus and WindCharge wind turbines. Press 3 nuts to the nut holders alternately on the back side of the blade base. Install the sheet blades evenly on the blade base. Note that the sheet blades are not symmetrical. If the sheet blades are installed with the wrong side on top, they will hit the aluminum post as the rotor rotates. Put on the rotor head and install 3 screws through the holes on the blade head to the nuts. Identify the line mark on the shaft side of the rotor to be inserted against the flat surface of the rotor shaft. Push the rotor all the way to the turbine. The wind turbine is now ready to work. The light and music module is a standard accessory for WindLab Junior and WindLab Plus Junior educational wind turbine. The wind turbine is selected in the direct output mode. The power generated from the wind drive is a melody generator, a blinking LED or a static LED by sliding a switch. The wind turbine is now selected to the normal storage mode. The energy generated from the wind is now stored to the GO capacitor inside the turbine body. When the wind stops, the energy stored inside the GO capacitor is now driving the melody generator. To see how WindLab Plus wind turbine performs, we connect a load resistance of about 50 ohm through an energy monitor to it. In scan mode, the generated voltage, current, power, energy, and rotating speed are displayed sequentially. Pressing the function button to display the power generated to the load so that we can evaluate the performance of the turbine. The power harvested from the wind turbine increases proportional to the cube of the wind speed. Can you follow this from this video?